Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to delete all Facebook friends in one click. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Now I am opening my Facebook account. And right corner, tap on three line, scroll down, settings and privacy, settings, tap on this, tap on personal details, tap on, and select this option and continue. You just need to delete your Facebook account and reopen your account, and then finally delete your all friend automatically. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.